One thing people ask is what is the difference between vinyl wrap and paint protection film? And there's plenty of differences, and I have another video that covers that. However, one thing I wanted to highlight is if you look at paint protection film, this is carbon fiber PPF, and it's from Autobahn, and you notice there's little to no orange peel at all. Compare that to vinyl wrap. This is gloss black vinyl wrap. You see that orange peel? That's typical of vinyl wrap. There's not really, too many out there that I've seen that don't have any orange peel. Some are better than others. We don't wrap cars here, so we did not do the vinyl on this. We only do PPF. And so you can see our Autobahn PPF. And then also we have PPF on the fenders and front bumper, and you see no orange peel there either. So that's one of the benefits of paint protection film over vinyl wrap.